We have a phone dropped in. Let's open it up.
Okay.
It's a Samsung A30. Customer be like.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, here's the back. The body, it's all bent. I didn't knew this could happen, but whatever, we all have a bad day sometimes, I guess. The battery is not okay and the screen is not good. Now, let's get the main speaker out and remove all the other components still remaining. Ignore the condition of my hands. I don't like wearing gloves, so after some years of repairing phones, they look like this. The motherboard is surprisingly undamaged. Let's clean the boards. Here is the new screen. It's not original but the best available in the third-party screens. And it also costs less. The new battery. Now let's test the new screen and the battery. The screen looks fine. The touch and the display are working fine. Let's check the camera. It's also okay. Everything looks okay, so let's fix the battery. I like this tape because it's easy to remove and super sticky. Don't worry, your battery won't move around in the phone. I've tested many times. Let's put the camera seals and other components back in the phone. Let's close up the phone. Now let's put the camera glass in the back on and we're done. This is the transformation. Looks new, right? What do you think? Type in the comments section below.